After that, if you want to display the file and directory space usages like files and directory space usage, you can type do, and you can see that I don't know what kind of result it have just given me, so just ignore it in case. Mm, okay. uh, it is for disk, it is df. Okay, so let's go with df, and you can clearly see that my total file system and you dev have this much data which is 0% utilized, and temp fs have 1% data utilization. Similarly, I have one directory that might be possible, my ssd, which is dev sda1, and it is by 22% utilized where my system is hosted. If you redirect yourself towards it, you will get the answers, but this is how you can just know about the utilization of memory, that how much not memory, how much you can say disk is being utilized. Yes. After that, if you want to know about the network interface and information display, the network interface and information, how you can do it, you can just type if config. This in config will tell you that this is your current local IP address, and currently this is your you can say that it is your home address definitely, and you are currently connected with ethernet cable. Okay, so this is ethernet cable, and this is your local IP address provided by your you can call it your router. And if you want to know about your internet IP, you can just go to the Google and type what is my IP. Here you will be able to see some websites like this first one and this second one. So it gonna let you know that hey, this is your IPv4, and currently I'm definitely from Tank City, and the region is Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and my country is Pakistan, and I am using the ISP is basically telecommunication limited. So this is all the personal information that I have shared you. So just in case you want to know about your IP address, where you're from, and blah 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 blah. So this is how it works. This is basically your internet IP address, not your local IP address. Okay, so yeah, this was cool. If you want to know about that, that's cool. You just type that, and it will let you know what is the that what's that is currently, what is the time xyz. So now let's proceed to some important things. No, you want to download something from internet, and you are not interested at all to do it manually. So to do it automatically, how you can do it? For example, there is a file on github directory. Let's say let's common.txt github for brute force. This is just a simple brute force file on github for hackers where they want to brute force any directory. So I will just go inside it. This is the file that contains some keywords which you can do some brute force, and maybe learn it in future. No, I'm just telling you how you can actually download stuff from the internet, so just don't worry about it. The one thing is you can download the file from here directly, and the second thing is you can just click on raw, and once you click on the raw, you can see it has been viewed in a very good format. So you can just copy the entire url, go back to your machine, and you can just type wget. You can download stuff with the help of wget, and then paste the file, paste the the exact url that you have copied right now. So you can just paste it and enter. and you can clearly see seems like it has been downloaded. Common.txt save which contain this kind of stuff, and it is 35 kb only, downloaded in 0.2 seconds. If you ls it, you can clearly see we have common.txt, and you can open it in leafpad common.txt. So this contain all those uh, keywords that can be brute force in order to find out hidden directories or content, or whatever you call it. Okay, so that was good. After that, just ignore this one here. Okay. Okay, if you remember last time I have teach you how actually you can download the Google Chrome and save you, and after downloading it, how actually you can literally install it in your Kali machine. Now remember, Kali Linux is Debian based, so that's why you have to install Debian packages. Let's maximize it. I don't know what stuff is running on the background, so let's remove it. You can just always type, okay, control alt control, and it will be opened. So the thing is, I want to open my Firefox because I'm really interested in to download my if you remember, I want to download my fire Chrome. It's my favorite browser, to be honest, even though it is not secure at all. So you can just type Chrome Chrome, just type Chrome, that's all. Or the good thing is to just type download Chrome, and it landed me to the first website. Let's go. And they just told me that click download the Chrome. I have click on it is telling me you wanna go with .deb or .rpm. Remember, .deb is for Debian, you want to call Linux, all these. So you can go with the first one, and if you are using Fedora, you can just go with the second one. I will go with the first one, and you can see that the download has been started. It is almost 100 MBs, and it will be downloaded within few seconds. So let's give it a wait, and remember, it will be redirected to yours download folder. So we have to go to the download folder in like I'm currently on my desktop. Let's say I'm in my desktop. If I go one directory back, so yeah, here we have the download folder in my Kali official repository. So I will just type cd desktop, cd downloads, and ls. You can clearly see that it is going to be downloaded sooner. Let's give it some time. Seems like it has been downloaded, to be honest. It has been downloaded, and that's something which is showing in red. You have to give it a root permission. So how you have to make it executable. How you can do it? Just type chmod plus x, and then just type GOOG and press tab. It will be automatically completed. Now if you type ls, you can literally see that it is fine. Now we can install it. To install it, you can just type dpkg. Remember, this is same for all Debian based packages. You can literally install all of them with the help of this command, dpkg hyphen I space hyphen I, and then name of the package that you want to install. So I will just type Google Chrome, and it will take few seconds. It will unpack the entire and literally it will be able to automatically install for you. Now the thing is, we just need to confirm that it has been installed or not. So you can just navigate your mouse to this and just type Chrome, CHRO, and you can clearly see that the Chrome has been installed. And if I press OK, you can clearly see that my Chrome browser is working perfectly. I can just navigate myself to Google or to anywhere in order to use it. This is how you can install all kind of Debian based packages in your Chrome browsers, sorry, in your Kali Linux. In future, if you need something, you can literally download their Debian based extension based package, and then you can just simply install it with the help of dpkg-i, and then name of the package. I hope you are getting a lot. You are learning some new stuff. Even though if you are a old user, still you have learning a lot of things. No, here is a twist. I want to show you. Let me clear the screen. Okay. Okay, if you remember, if there is a ls command, if you want to learn about the documentation of ls command, you can just type man and name of the command that you want to read the documentation. Like there is a ls command, I really have no idea how it works, what does it documentation look like, how does it look documentation look like, xyz. You can get all the detail with the help of man command, and this man command will let you know that, hey, these are all the literally possible documentation of ls command that you can utilize it. So this is how, if you want to read more about any particular document, you can sorry command, you can do it with the help of this. And the second thing is, if you want to know about the history, that which commands you have executed so far, so on, you can just type history. You can clearly see this currently tell me 23 to 24 commands that, hey, you have right now in this terminal, in this particular terminal, executed this sort of commands. If I type to my old terminal, which I have executed lots of commands, you can literally clearly see that I have executed so many commands here. Okay, so this is how it works. History command is a pretty good command. If you want to know about the history of any command, you will get everything here. That's cool.
I'm MasaudSec, a cybersecurity professional, ethical hacker, and penetration tester with years of hands-on experience. My passion lies in empowering individuals to excel in the exciting and rapidly evolving world of cybersecurity. Over the years, I have mentored students from around the globe, guiding them toward mastering cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and penetration testing through personalized teaching and practical insights. If you're looking to learn from someone deeply immersed in the field, you're in the right place. My mentorship program is designed to offer personalized guidance tailored to your learning needs, hands-on experience with real-world scenarios and tools, live support to help you navigate challenges effectively. You can explore more about my mentorship program and course offerings at MasaudSec.com. On the website, visit the courses section and click on cybersecurity, ethical hacking, penetration testing in one course to find detailed information about the program.